Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fill the invite bar in Monopoly Go. So, the invite bar is filled by successfully inviting friends to the game. Here's how you can fill the invite bar and earn rewards. First, open the game and launch Monopoly Go on your mobile device. After this, locate the Friends section at the bottom right of the screen and look for Invite Friends button. So, click on this small button in green that says Invite, and here you will have to simply fill this bar. And in order to do that, click on the invite button, that is these two buttons. So when you click on this invite button, it is going to open up this page. Here you can invite your friends through any of the platforms you have. You can click on more option and you have a bunch of ways to invite your friends to fill the bar. Basically, you'll have to send this invite link to as much friends as you can and persuade them to sign up for Monopoly Go. So if you click on invite friends, you'll be promoted to send invites through different methods like sharing a referral link via social media, messaging apps or email. Send the invite to people who have not downloaded and played Monopoly Go. For the invite to count towards filling your invite bar, your friends need to download the game using your invite link and start playing. In most cases, they may need to complete a certain action or level in the game to ensure the invite is counted, that is, finish the tutorial or make some progress. As your friends join using your invite link and start playing, you will see this invite bar begin to fill up. Each successful invite pushes the bar closer to being filled. And once it's full, you will earn a special in-game rewards such as dice, coins or other bonuses. So you can also click on this Facebook invite option and it is going to prompt you to your Facebook page where you can send this link to your Facebook friends so that more people can sign up. So make sure you have invited the people who haven't played the game yet, as inviting someone who already has the game installed won't count towards filling the bar. And let your friends know about the rewards they will receive when they start playing, as this can motivate them to join. By inviting enough friends and getting them to play, you can easily fill the invite bar here and claim the rewards. So that's how you fill invite bar in Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.